Hey there, it's Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today, what am I cooking up? I'm cooking up spiralized zucchini with an amazing pesto. You're gonna love it. It's a nut pesto, but it's a little different than what you're normally used to. So I'm gonna mix everything in my food processor and it'll be done in a red hot minute. Now I've spiralized the zucchini already, but spiralizing is so fun, so easy, and hey, it's so much better for you than regular pasta. Regular pasta usually is gluten, and I'm gluten-free, so I always look for creative ways, and I spiralize it with this. It's my Padrano spiralizer, and I'll put a link to it below, the Amazon link. I just love it. You just put the zucchini in here, you just spin, and it comes out, and it looks like this. It's super fast, super easy, and so good for you. So I'm gonna throw in some, now the original recipe, I love changing recipes. The original recipe called for pumpkin seeds only, and I'm gonna put some walnuts in it because I like this is a combination, about a quarter cup, you can see the pumpkin seeds are still in here, of pumpkin seeds and walnuts. And then I'm just gonna throw in some olive oil. You'll see how quick, how easy this comes together. And a whole lot of garlic. This is about 3 cloves. But really, this is the fun thing about cooking. You can make it to your taste. You don't have to make it to the recipe. If you don't like things so garlicky, just tone down the recipe. And I'm putting in some lemon juice. Now, the original recipe, here's another modification. It called for red vinegar. Well, I thought lemon would be better, and lemon is so much better for your body. It just alkalizes your body. It helps clean you out. So I put some lemon in there, and this is basil, which you normally have in pesto, but I added arugula. Arugula is really good for you. It's so dark and leafy, and it just gives you all the vitamins, all the minerals you need. And the original recipe, again, another modification, it called for an onion. It called for white onions. But red onions are a little bit sweeter, and actually I'm not going to put it all in. It called for half an onion, but sometimes it's a little too oniony. So I'm going to make it and see how it tastes, and then if I want to tone it down, I can tone it down a little. So I'm just going to add some pink Himalayan sea salt. This is really good for you. You don't want to eat iodized salt. Iodized salt, it's just, what they do is they take all the vitamins, all the nutrients out of the salt and add back a little bit of iodine, and this way you're getting exactly what you need. If you want some iodine, I like to put in a little bit of dulse, which is a seaweed, and that'll give you all the iodine you need. I'm adding a little bit of red pepper, but you don't have to have this. That'll just make it a little more spicy. So I'm just gonna blend this up. So here we go. Okay, super quick, super easy, and oh my goodness, so delicious. See that? So I'm just gonna take some of these noodles, and I can mix all this together, which I often do, but just for demo purposes, I'm going to show you how pretty it looks with it on top. And if you want, you can cut these up, so when you're eating this with a fork, you're not eating it like this and things are trailing. You can cut it up, or you can just leave it pretty curly like this, however you prefer. And then I'm going to put some pesto on top and mix it in. One more big dollop of pesto. There we go. Delish. And I'm going to add some red peppers because this time of year, cherry tomatoes. These are not red peppers. I'm adding cherry tomatoes. This time of year, they're just so sweet and delicious. Just make sure you get organic because they're better for you. They don't have all the pesticides and chemicals and preservatives in them. And there we go, that's it. I'm just gonna taste this because I wanna see how oniony it is. Not bad at all. With all the flavors, It really mellows out. So if you wanted to, you could mix this in and marinate it for maybe 2 or 3 hours. But what a healthy, delicious lunch, dinner, or sometimes I even eat it for breakfast. Enjoy. And if you want more of this, hey, go click over to my website at catherinechess.com and make sure before you leave you subscribe to my page or you like my channel, because I'd love to see you again. I just want you to get healthy and well. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. Click on over, check out my website. I've got lots of programs to help you get healthy and well. Bye-bye. Love you.